Okay, so my next opportunity to learn is as I was coming back across the Nullarbor, my gas strut on my back door here decided to not work anymore. So I can't keep my door open. Once the gas strut's gone, the door is really, really heavy. So I've got it propped up on a ladder at the moment. And I ordered some gas struts online because Toyota were going to charge me $450 each for them. So I just got some generic ones. So we're going to have a go at replacing them. I think it's just as simple as actually just loosening the bolts and replacing the part and bolting them back in. So I've just got to see if I can find, I'm at my sister's place doing it, and see if my brother-in-law has the right, I think it's called a socket wrench, I'm not entirely sure. I tried to use my spanner, it didn't work, so I'm going to have to look in his toolbox and see if I can find the right part. So you can tell that this is the gas strut that's gone, not so much now, but earlier it had all this grease coming out of here. So it was, and to be honest, I knew it was kind of going because the door was a little bit out of alignment, and you can see here all the dirt that's gotten in as I've driven across the Nullarbor. I don't have it on that side because that strut was fine. But I'm going to replace both of them anyway while I'm here. I might as well. Okay, I've never used one of these before, but I think I've put it together okay. So we're just going to try, it's, you know, this bit here matches up with the nut. So I actually don't know what I'm doing here, but lefty loosey. So let's go, oh, it's moving. It's moving. Yes. So I've just realised, and yes, all those people who do use these tools watching are probably laughing at me originally. So I've just realised that the actual socket like winds back, so I don't need to take it off and put it back on. I can just do that. So for all those people who don't use these tools watching, that's what you can do with it. But how good is that? I just learnt something new. So we learn by experience and by doing, and I've just learnt by doing that. Yay! So we've got one bolt out. Now this one's coming out. Cool. So we'll get the top one now. We got one off, so time to work on the problem one now. Yeah. They're off. So now I just need to put the new ones on. Yay! The one with the R on there for the right. I suppose it depends on which way you're looking at the vehicle, but I'm pretty sure that's it. Yep, that bit goes to the bottom. So now I've just got to line this up. I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to screw that in a little bit. So, which way? That way, righty-tighty. I'm just going to loosely put those in and then I'll tighten them up. that way. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Now, the issue here is going to be that, so if you come around here, see how they're not lining up, and that's because I need to open the door up higher, because obviously with a gas strut you need the weight to push these in. So I'm now going to have to let my camera person please hold the door up for me.
That'll be me, so we'll be back shortly.
It's still not going to be high enough. Okay. Just tastes like the time. There's some bits of wood in there. Okay. Yeah.
You're playing Jenga.
So Ella's going to just stand under that door just in case it does, my little Jenga exercise doesn't work, and I don't want to get squished by this door because it's really, really heavy. But I can't leave Ella to stand there holding it up for me the whole time because it's really, really heavy, and I have to actually get the other gas strut up now as well, that I've got it at this height. That out that way?
Huh?
Is it right that they stick out that way?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that bit's got to be there. Yeah. Okay, one down, yeah! Get on there, you. Work yourself in the chin.
Good job.
Why not? Not really doing hard work if you don't hurt yourself. Oh, God, these things are amazing. I've really gone my whole life without using one. It's one thing I love about van life. I'm always learning. Always learning. Okay, come off now. Okay, just loosen that one a bit again. All right, last bits to go. Last bolts to screw in, and then it's time to test it. How exciting! Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, actually, that's just that bit there moving. Okay, now is the time. Is it holding it?
Yeah, I think so. It's holding it.
Yay!
Oh.
Yeah! Did it! I changed my own gas struts. Woo!
With some help. What am I?
With some help. Look! Amazing! I think I'll probably just put dirt all over my nice new clean van. Yay! Thanks so much for watching that video. If you haven't met me before, my name is Christy. I live, work and travel Australia in my van Gypsy. I am an artist and my artwork is available as prints or on t-shirts and bags on my website. The link is in my bio.